Once again, you're diving deep and exploring how to be true to yourself and flourish as a happy, healthy human. Because procrastination creates ingrained behaviors and habits, it isn't broken easily. Habits also stop being habits when you persistently stop practicing them. This means you will have to use as many strategies as you can to overcome your habit of procrastinating. As you review these strategies, make notations in your notebook of which resonates with you most. Vocabulary. Watch your choice of words when you talk about a task you need to do. The words you use will have a strong influence on your perception. Positive words yield positive results. Reverse calendar. Start with the ultimate deadline and then work backwards, creating smaller deadlines leading up to the beginning of the task like you do in the Life Pack Planner. Many small steps are what gets things done. Filling up your schedule. Reduce the time you think you have available for working on important tasks by scheduling recreational and non-work related activities. Since the time you can work on important tasks will be limited this way, you will have a tendency to make the most of the time available. If I have less time to do it, then I'll act. Work in a flow state. We're most productive when fully focused, free from distractions, and intense emotions and other concerns undermine our focus and productivity. Deal with these distractions by conducting a 2-minute meditation. Just close your eyes and take in a few deep breaths before you start your work. Plant that seed of success for yourself. Fully embrace goals. Do not work on the things you do not care about. You will only reinforce procrastination patterns. Commit to a task. Practice makes perfect. Look at the tiny steps. If looking at the big picture overwhelms, break it down into smaller steps. Tackle these tiny steps one by one as individual victories. Before you know it, you will reach success. Think little wins and make your own rewards. Promise yourself a treat once a certain task is completed. How good it feels to finish things. Reframe its importance. If you know a task has to be done, but it's not emotionally important to you, find a way to make it important. It will please the people I love if I do this, might be something you can say. Sleep, eat healthy, and exercise. It's hard to focus on completing tasks when you're tired, so get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. Nothing is so fatiguing as the hanging on of an uncompleted task. And uncover start and end points. Once something has a beginning and an end, it's a lot easier to start filling in the middle. Define the start and end points of your task so you know how big or small it is. The beginning is the most important part of any work. Before moving on, please stop for a moment and answer the important debrief questions to solidify your learning in this lesson. Welcome back. While we want to act and move forward, we have tendencies that keep us from doing this. It's like an internal tug of war. Positive emotions pull us towards what we want, and negative emotions hold us back from what we want. In a sense, procrastination is a form of self-sabotage that we've already talked about. But with the help of this matrix, we can now name the reason for the self-sabotage and do something about it. Remember, by naming what's actually happened, we gain power over it. And that includes procrastination. Congratulations on completing the work in this module. Overcoming procrastination. You are now more aware of your procrastination habits and know how to stop them in their tracks and replace them with healthier, more productive habits. By breaking the cycle of procrastination, your world of productivity opens up for you. Your actions are more rewarding, your relationships more fulfilling, and overall optimism up dramatically. Well done. Before you go, please answer the questions in the group. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson.